Zebec Network just reached a major milestone. Zebec is now XOC2 compliant. Now, in this video, real quick, we are going to be looking at the Zebec price update, the ZBCN price update. ZBCN is currently trading around 0.0042. This is the decision zone we've talked about countless times in our video. Not to forget that we are going to be comparing the orders chart on the weekly time frame. This is the orders chart excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. We are going to be comparing this chart to the Ethereum chart. If you're paying close attention, you would notice the Ethereum chart is similar to the orders chart. That is to say, sooner or later, we are going to be getting the massive altcoin season. I think we are almost at the finish line right now. So there's no point panicking selling at this point. And I'm glad I told you guys that in the previous Zebec video as well. Now, we are also briefly going to talk about the BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame. You guys have seen this chart countless times, and I'll continue to bring it to your attention to bring you up to speed. So we are left with 14 days and 5 hours 31 minutes until the next FOMC meeting. And not to forget that the current probability of getting a 25 basis point rate cut in the month of September 17th, to be precise, 2025, is now seated at 91.7%, while 8.3% is saying we are not going to get a rate cut. So from the look of things, we are definitely going to get a rate cut, in my own opinion. This is Zebec on the daily time frame. Remember, I drew you guys' attention countless times to this decision zone, and I told you guys if Zebec is going below that decision zone, then I'm going to turn bearish, and I'm not going to be buying more, because this decision zone was where I placed my limit order for my final Zebec entry before the massive run to the upside, before we enter into a full-blown altcoin season. So I'm glad I bought, and hopefully we just flip this decision zone into a support and continue the rally to the upside, because the reason why I'm saying that is ZBCN just tapped into a breaker block, an obvious breaker block right here. So I won't be surprised if we get a rejection from there, you understand, to the downside slightly before continuing our journey to the upside. But if we are not getting a rejection, by the way, before I proceed, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, you're welcome. If you're here to like this video, please destroy the like button, smash the like button. Thank you. For those here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Now, if we are not getting a rejection from here, because this is an obvious bearish breaker block on a higher time frame, daily time frame to be precise. So if that rejection is not happening and ZBCN is closing this candle exactly the way it is right now, closing it above the 0.004 zone, then I think the next candle that is going to form is going to take out, invalidate the bearish breaker block and begin to send higher to the upside. That is where we can begin to easily see 0.0052 zone for Zebec once again. I think the moment that is happening is likely to be more like the rally ahead of the rate cut. It might be just like buy the rumor, sell the news kind of a thing. Fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. Let's talk about the orders chart real quick. This is the orders chart excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. This is the total cryptocurrency market cap excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Now, if you're paying close attention, the moment the orders chart is flipping the $305 billion level into a support, a clean support, then we are going to rally into altcoin season. And I think it's going to happen very, very soon. We are left with 4 days and 12 hours until this current weekly candle closes. Now, if you guys are going back to the Ethereum chart, we had a similar stuff on the Ethereum chart. The Ethereum chart and the orders chart are very, very, very identical. They are very similar. Now, when Ethereum is now currently outperforming the entire market, by the way. Ethereum is outperforming both BTC and also the rest of the altcoins. We are now currently in the Ethereum season. The Ethereum season is still likely to continue. The altcoins are going to join Ethereum later, which I think we are almost at the decision point now for the rest of the altcoins. The moment this orders chart is breaking above the $305 billion zone, flipping it into a support, then it's going to be an altcoin season, which is likely and definitely going to happen in this Q4 2025. So fingers crossed, I'm going to be telling you guys when to exit as well with the help of this BTC dominance chart. And let's not forget that BTC itself just tapped into a bearish breaker on the daily time frame. So if this bearish breaker is not getting invalidated, then we should expect to get a correction from around $112,000 or $113,000 price level for the price of BTC. Now, this is the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame is more valid than the lower time frame. Now, we are still waiting for that massive crash on the BTC dominance, which is inevitable, like seriously. The moment that massive drop, that massive crash is happening on the BTC dominance, our altcoins is going to like skyrocket. They are going to begin to go ballistic. Aggressive pump in the entire altcoin market. Now, same thing happened in 2021 when BTC dominance crashed aggressively. We had an altcoin season. For 2021, when BTC dominance crashed aggressively, the entire market had an altcoin season for 2017. So same thing is going to repeat itself in 2025. Nothing really has changed. The market is still following the same playbook. So Q4 2025 is going to be a very, very sensitive quarter of the year. And in order not to end up getting sidelined, remember, like I said countless times, the rate cut is going to mark the beginning of the end. And the market might maybe even, from the look of things, the market might rally ahead of the actual rate cut. We currently have a 91.7% probability of getting a rate cut in the month of September. From the look of things, I think it's very, very obvious we are going to get a rate cut. So the market might pump ahead of the rate cut, more like it's buy the rumors, sell the news kind of a thing. Now, like I've said countless times, this is the BTC dominance chart on the weekly time frame. The moment we are approaching the 44-42% level, and I monitor the market sentiment, the altcoin market sentiment, I think I'm going to begin to like take aggressive profit by the time the BTC dominance drops to the 44-42% level in order to be on the safer side. The goal is to go out in profit and not trying to time the exact exit or the exact top in order not to end up getting sidelined and end up getting used as an exit liquidity. So here to smash the like button of this video once again, please destroy the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this video as always. My name is Isaac. Peace out.